Greetings, folks. It's Sarah. Today I have featured the beautiful concept.
Greetings, folks. It's Sarah.
Today
And I
I
am
have featured
going
the
to do
beautiful
a first burn for
concept
you guys in this
air
stove.
cooker.
A couple things
And
I
I
want to
am
point out
going
about a
to
first
do
burn
a
is
first burn
it's
for
really
you guys in
important
this
to
stove.
like off
A
gas
couple
and
things I want to
detox your
point out
stove
about a first
before
burn
you
is
bring it
it's
into
really
your house,
important
especially
to
if you have any
off-gas and detox
sensitivities
your
like
stove
asthma,
before you bring
chemical
it into your house,
sensitivities,
especially if
or
you
just
have
general
any sensitivities
sensitivities.
like
I
asthma,
definitely recommend
chemical
burning your stove off,
sensitivities,
or
someplace
just general
either
sensitivities.
outside or
I
where you can have a
definitely
big door.
recommend
For
burning
me,
your
my
stove off,
showroom,
and my
someplace
burning
either
center is
outside
located
or
in
where you
a
can have a big
renovated
door.
garage.
For me,
And
my
so I put my
showroom
stove
and my
right
burning
next to the
center
big
is
garage door so
located
that
in
I
a
get
renovated
plenty of
garage. And
airflow.
so I put my stove
And don't
right
flood
next to
myself
the
'cause
big
I'm
garage
always
door so
testing
that
new
I get
stoves. So I
plenty
highly
of
recommend this
airflow.
for you as well.
And
Now,
don't
in
flood
addition, we
myself because
have
I'm
a
always
first
testing
burn
new
process.
stoves.
This
So
is
I highly
important
recommend this for you
because
as well.
what we're
Now,
actually
in
doing
addition, we have
is
a
breaking
first
in the
burn
stove
process.
slowly
This is
and pouring the
important
paint.
because
So
what we're
again,
actually
mentioning this is all
doing
new paint.
is breaking in
I'd
the
had
stove
some people get
slowly
their
and
stoves and
carrying
like
the
heat them
paint.
up
So
to
again,
900
mentioning this is
degrees
all new paint.
immediately and had
I'd had some
issues with
people
like the
get their
paint
stoves
peeling
and
off,
like heat them up
and
to
this is
900
why we want
degrees
to heat it up
immediately
slowly.
and
So
had
we're going to
issues with
start
like
with
the
the small
paint
kindling
peeling
fire.
off.
We're going to
And
let that
this is
burn out
why we want to heat
completely
it up slowly.
until
So
it's
we're
like
going to
coals.
start with
Then
the
we're
small
going to add
kindling
in
fire.
a couple
We're
of
going to let that
logs
burn out
into a medium
completely
fire
until
we
it's
let
like
that
coals.
burn
Then
down
we're going to
completely,
add in
and
a
then
couple
we
of
go
logs
into
into
our
a
nice
medium fire.
hot
We let
fire,
that burn
and
down
this is what's
completely,
going
and then
to
we go into
like
our
cure
nice
that paint
hot
and
fire,
break it in
and this is
slowly.
what's
I
going
also want to point
to
out that you shouldn't really be cooking or baking in your stove until you've burned it.
I also want to point out that you
at
shouldn't
least
really be
5
cooking or
times to
baking
make sure that
in
you've
your
detoxed
stove
all of
until
the
you've
peat
burned it.
toxins and
Really,
that's
probably
not
at
going
least
into your
5
food.
times to
So
make sure that
I'm
you've
going to go
detoxed
ahead
all of the
and
peat
get the fire
toxins and that
loaded
that's not
up. We're
going
going to
into your
start
food.
with just
So
a
I'm
little
going to go
kindling
ahead
fire.
and
I
get
do
the fire
have nice
loaded up.
short
We're going to
wood
start
here.
on this
with
particular
just a little
model.
kindling fire.
There is a door opening tool, but I'm just getting
On this
started.
particular
So
model,
there
on
is
this
a door
guy,
opening
I'm going to
tool, but
go
I'm just
actually
getting
up more
started. So
vertical.
I don't need
With
that.
this model, you get the largest height actually on your vertical rise. Now,
With this
wood
model,
is
you
cut
get the
plenty small
largest
enough
height
for me
actually on your
to
vertical rise.
be able
Now,
to
this
burn it
wood
side to
is
side if
cut
I want
plenty
it.
small enough
But I
for
start with
me
a
to
2,
be able to
and
burn
I
it
like
side to
to
side
just
if I
do
want
it
it.
here
But I
vertically.
start with
And
a
especially
TP,
since I'm going to be loading
and
my
I like
logs
to
in
just do
vertically
it here
because that's the way you're going to get the highest height. I want to start my coals and do it that way as well.
because that's the way
So we're
you're
going
going
to
to get
start at the
the
vertical
highest height.
TP. You
I
can
want
see
to
what I
start
have
my
in
coals
here.
and do it that way
And
as
I
well.
get
So we're
just
going
a
to
few
start
more
at the vertical
pieces of
TP.
wood.
You can see what I have in
like
here.
to have
And I get
just
like
a few more
barky
pieces of
kindling
wood
because it creates a lot more like smoke in excess.
like barky
Kindling
kindling
because it creates a lot more like smoke in excess.
It's gonna be over. So here I am stacked vertically. I have both my number controls pulled out. I have my top oven control pushed
I have both my
in
number
so that the
controls
snow
pulled
flows
out.
up chimney.
I have my top
a
oven
handy
control
dandy
pushed
torch
in
ready
so that the
okay?
snow flows
So
up
I
chimney.
talk about this often. I don't use paper.
Ready.
I do
Okay?
use a blowtorch.
So I talk
Yes,
about this often.
Is safe.
I don't
No,
use
I don't leave it
paper.
in here
I
and
do
walk
use
away.
a blowtorch.
I'm not
Yes,
gonna blow
this
myself
is
up.
safe.
I am
no,
literally
I
been
don't leave it
lighting
in here
stoves
and
for
walk
like
away.
more
I'm
than
not
25
gonna blow
years,
myself up.
and
I
can
am
light
literally been
any
lighting
stove
stoves for
really
like
quickly
more than
with no
25
paper
years,
and no
I can light
starters.
any stove really quickly with no paper
Okay.
and no
So
starters.
literally just like this. Goes in. You can already hear it.
So
like,
literally,
it takes off so quick. Why don't I use paper? This is like the question. But why? Why
It
don't
takes
I
off
use
so quick.
paper?
Why
Well,
don't I
because
use paper? This
creates
is
a
like
lot
the
more
question.
fly
But
ash
why?
in
Why
your
don't I want to use
stove,
paper?
honestly.
Well, because
And you're
paper
gonna have to
creates a
clean it
lot
out
more
more
fly
often,
ash
like
in
not
your
just the
stove,
stove itself, but
honestly.
the actual
And you're gonna
chimney
have to
heights
clean it
need
out
to
more
be
often.
cleaned out
Like
more
not
often
just the
when
stove
burning
itself,
the
but
teak.
the
You can
actual
see
chimney
taking
heights
off so
need to be cleaned
nice
out more often
very quickly.
when burning the
No
teak. You can
smoke
see
blowing
taking
out
off
my stove.
so nice.
I don't even have
very
this box
quickly.
fully
No
loaded. It's
smoke
like half
blowing out
loaded.
my stove.
I don't
keeping,
even
of course,
have
the
this
back
box
of the
fully
firebox
loaded. It's like half loaded.
especially because this is barkier wood. If you do have bark at your wood, especially
You
because
definitely
this
don't wanna
is
be
barkier
burning the
wood,
bark,
if you do
like
have bark at
super
your wood,
duper close
you
to your
definitely
front
don't want to be
glass because you
burning the
will end
bark
up with dirtier
like
glass.
super
Also,
duper
that's
close
another
to your
reason to
front
stack
glass
up
because you
vertically,
will end up with
rather
dirtier
than
glass.
front to back.
Also, that's
or
another
even,
reason
quite stacked up vertically. When you go front to back and you have really long
Well, tried
block
the side
wings,
works as well,
and
but
it, when
glow
you
too
go front
close
to
to the
back
gap,
and
the
you have
glass,
really
that
long
you get
block
smoke
wings,
that flows back
and it
up, glow
and your
too close
bathroom
to the gap, the
privacy
glass,
but
that you get
the main
smoke that flows
reason
back up,
that I'm
and
doing
your
this is
bathroom
because
privacy
for
is off.
longest
But
burn
the
time,
main
which I
reason
definitely want
that
to
I'm doing
see,
this is
You're gonna
because
stat your
for
logs
longest
vertically.
burn time,
You're
which
gonna
I
fit a lot
definitely
in
want to
there
see.
with the duct
you're gonna
front
stat your
bag.
logs
So
vertically.
Just like that,
you're gonna
super
fit a
quick.
lot
I'm gonna
in
go
there
ahead,
with the
let
duct
this
front
warm up,
bag. So
and
yeah,
then
Just
I
like
will give
that,
you guys
super quick.
some
I'm
gonna go
temperature
ahead,
readings
let this
after
warm
probably
up,
about
and
after
then I will give
15
you
minutes.
guys.
Okay, so we are officially about 15 minutes into our kindling burn, and I'm going to give you guys some temperature readings
Center
into our
plate is
kindling
already at
burn, and I'm
600
going to give you
degrees.
guys
So
some temperature
this
readings.
gets really hot really quick,
already
and
at
this is
600
literally
degrees.
with
So
about
this
a
gets
half
really
floated
hot really
kindling.
quick,
So
and this
really
is
keep that
literally
in
with
mind
about
when you're
a half
starting your
floated.
fires.
Like I said, we
So
don't want to hit
really keep that in
900
mind
degrees
when
right
you're
away.
starting your fires.
Like I
Like
said,
I
we
said,
don't want to hit
and
900 degrees right
well,
away.
I guess I
600 is
shouldn't say
actually
I
really
am
pretty
super
hot.
surprised because there's no
I guess I
baffle
shouldn't
system.
say I
There's
am
no
super
reverns.
surprised because
There's
there's
no
no
insulation blankets
baffle system.
that
There's
block
no
the heat like
reverns.
some of the
There's
other stoves
no
have. So I mean, you
insulation
could remove
blankets
this pot
that block
here,
the
and you
heat like
could
some of the other
literally
stoves
drop like
have.
a
So I mean, you
wok
could
style pan in
remove this
here to
pot
get that direct
here,
flame
and you
cooking,
could literally
which is
drop
super
like a
cool.
wok
But you're
style
also
pan
gonna
in here to
reach
get that
really
direct
hot
flame cooking,
temperatures,
which is
that's
super
just
cool.
the
But you're also
reality
gonna
of doing
reach
wood
really
cooking.
hot
So
temperatures.
yeah,
That's just
we are
the
sitting
reality
at
of doing
588
wood
is
cooking.
what my cook plate is reading.
Edge of the cooktop here is
588
353 in
is
the
what
back
my cook
corner.
plate is reading.
365
Edge of the
in the
cooktop
front.
here is
This is directly over the
353 in the
firebox
back
in the
corner.
center.
365 in the front.
390.
This is directly over the firebox in
We're
the
sitting about
center.
300 degrees.
And
Okay.
more over the oven, we're
Sand
sitting
seal.
about
So,
300 degrees.
side candle temperatures next to the
Okay.
oven. We're at
Sand
144
seal.
degrees
So,
on the top.
side
86
candle
degrees
temperatures
on the bottom.
next to the
Firebox
oven. We're at
side, we are
144
sitting
degrees
at
on the top.
215 degrees on
Firebox
the
side, we are
top,
sitting
and
at
91 degrees on the bottom. So
15
yes,
degrees on the
definitely
top,
getting
and
more
91
heat
degrees
throw
on the
off
bottom.
the
So
side that
yes,
your firebox
definitely
is on.
getting
Now this is going to
more
be a
heat
left-hand
throw
model.
off the side that your
Left-hand flue,
firebox
which
is
means the
on.
firebox
Now
is
this is
on
going
the
to be a
right. We
left-hand
do
model.
also have
Left-hand flue, which
right-hand
means the
flue
firebox
models, which
is
would
on
put
the right.
firebox
We
on the
do
left-hand
also
side.
have
So this is
right-hand
our
flue models, which would
15-minute
put the
burn
firebox on the
temperature
left-hand
reading.
side. So this
Into
is
our
our
first
15-minute
burn.
I'm gonna let this die
temperature
out
reading
to a bed of
into our
coals
first
before I head into
burn.
our
I'm gonna
medium
let this
burn.
die
I'll keep you
out
guys
to a
updated
bed of
with
coals
burn
before I head
times,
into our medium
temperatures
burn
as we go
I'll
through our
keep you
first
guys
burn
updated
process.
with
So
burn
we are
times,
about
temperatures
45 minutes
as we
in,
go through our
and
first
you
burn
can probably
process.
see that you don't really see any coals or anything. I do still have
And
coals.
you can probably
You're just
see
not
that you
seeing
don't
the
really see
flame.
any
I'm
coals or
now gonna head
anything. I
into
do
my
still have
medium
coals. You're just not
burn.
seeing the
So I'm
flame.
gonna go
I'm
ahead
now
and
gonna
open
head
up my
into my
stove
medium
here. I had
burn.
just a few
So
coals
I'm
in
gonna go
there.
ahead and
Y'all
open up my
see
stove
'em?
here.
This is
I had
about
just a
how
few
much I'm
coals
gonna
in there.
use in my
Y'all
medium
see 'em?
here.
Again, I want to remind you guys that these burn times temperatures
Again, I want to
I'm
remind
giving,
you
they
guys that
are
these burn
wide open.
times,
So
temperatures I'm
stove
giving,
hot
they
by
are controlling
wide
how much
open.
wood we're putting in rather than adjusting our damper
By
controls,
controlling how much
because
wood
this
we're
is our
putting
first
in.
burn process. So I would do
Because this is our
vertical
first burn
before.
process.
I'm going to do
So I
some
would do
vertical and
vertical
some a little
before.
bit lower down. I don't want to do like a full packed vertical
I
because
don't
we
want
saw
to
how
do
like
like
a
a
full
full
packed
cooktop reach
vertical,
temperature, right?
because we
So
saw
when
how cooktop
quickly
reaches
our
those temperatures
cooktop reach
very
temperature,
quickly,
right? That's kind
So
of like
when
moving into our
cooktop
hot
reaches
burn,
those
and again,
temperatures
we want
very
to
quickly,
adjust our
that's
paint
kind of like
slowly.
moving into our hot
So
burn. And
with
again,
more
we want
wood,
to
I am
adjust
gonna
our
do
paint
like
slowly.
a side
So
down,
with more
so
wood,
that
I
we're
am
not
gonna
getting
do
like
like
a huge
a
bed
side
of
down,
coals
so
way
that
too
we're
close
not
to our
getting like a
cooktop, too soon.
huge bed of
When
coals.
I
Way
do
too close to our
my
cooktop
long
too
burn,
soon.
that's when I'll go
When
vertical
I
and like
do
really
my
pack a hole.
long
But for
burn, that's when
now,
I'll
I'm
go
gonna keep my
vertical
coals
and like
lower
really
down.
pack
If
it
you
full.
do have barky wood, keep it towards the back for
If
kindness
you do have
blast.
barky
I'm gonna
wood,
bring my
keep it
fire
towards the
more
back
forward
for
because
kindness
we really kept
blast.
it
I'm
at
gonna
the
bring my
back of the
fire
firebox
more
with our
forward
first
because
small
we really
burn,
kept
and
it at the back
actually,
of the
yeah, you can
firebox
see like this
with our
is
first
taking
small
off on its
burn,
own.
and
Just
actually,
this with the
yeah,
little
you can
holes
see
that were
like
there.
this is
I'm not
taking
gonna
off
need
on
to
its
do blue
own.
light.
And I kind of think that's all I'm gonna do because I don't want to get it too hot too quick.
think that's all I'm gonna do
because I don't want to get it too hot too
take
quick.
these
And my
two.
kindling
This
fire
plate you
got
need
like
to use your
really,
tool
really
to
hot.
close your
Take
door.
these
These are
two.
kind
This
of like
plate you need to
the
use your
tool
tool
to close your door. These are
handleless
kind of
models.
like
You need
the
your tool, sorry. And so yeah, just like that, we
Handleless
go ahead
models, you
and
need your
tighten it
tool,
down,
sorry.
latch
And
it all
so,
the way
yeah,
down
just
here.
like that, we
And
go
we're gonna
ahead
head
and
into
tighten it
this
down,
medium
latch it all the
burn.
way down here.
After about 10 minutes,
15 minutes into our medium burn. I'll give you
10
guys some
minutes,
temperature
15
readings.
minutes
And
into
by
our
that
medium
point,
burn,
I'll give
maybe
you guys some
sitting
temperature readings.
around
And
an
by
hour and a
that
half
point,
on
maybe
total burn
sitting
time. We'll go from there,
around.
and until then, you can see how nice the
We'll
stove
go
cakes
from there.
off. And
Just
until
like
then,
that, I
you can
didn't
see how
need
nice
any
the stove
additional
cakes
like
off.
blowtorch,
Just like that, I
anything like
didn't
that.
need
Very,
any
very
additional
small.
flames in the back. So that was about, I would say, quarter of a load of kindling of what I could have
Quarter
fit into this
of
firebox.
a load
And
of
so
kindling
a quarter of a
of
load
what
of
I could have
kindling
fit into this
burned
firebox.
45
And so a
minutes
quarter
down
of a
to
load
those
of
nice
kindling
low coals,
burned
and
45
that's going to be on a
minutes
wide open
down
burn.
to
So
those nice
I'm
low
actually
coals.
pretty
And that's going to be on a
impressed
wide open
with the
burn.
air
So
control
I'm
on
actually
this model. It
pretty
is a lot
impressed
tighter
with the air
than
control
some of the
on
other
this model.
European
It is a
models
lot
on the
tighter
market.
than some of
So
the other
that's really nice
European
to have that
models
tighter air
on the
control,
market.
because
So
especially when
that's
we
really
do
nice to
run
have
with a
that
smaller
tighter air
firebox,
control,
like on
because
these smaller
especially when we
footprints,
do
run
it
with a
is
smaller
really
firebox,
nice
like
to
on these
like
smaller
definitely get
footprints.
those longer burn
It
times
is
because
really nice
nobody
to
wants to
like
get up in the middle of the
definitely get
night
those
and
longer burn
the
times,
longer the
because
stove can
nobody
burn,
wants to get
muy
up in the middle
bueno.
of the night. And
Let's keep
the
you
longer the
updated.
stove
I'll
can
check in
burn,
with you guys in about 15
let's
minutes.
keep you
And we'll go from
updated.
there.
I'll check in with you
We
guys in
are
about 15
20
minutes,
minutes and we'll
into
go
this
from there.
medium burn.
We are about 20
And
minutes
about
into this
an
medium
hour,
burn.
a little more than an hour and a half
And
into
about
our
overall
an hour, a little more
and I'm
than
going
an
to give you
hour and a
guys some
half
temperature
into our
readings.
overall
Center
burn.
cook plate is
And I'm going to give you guys some
898
temperature readings.
degrees.
Center
So
cook
this
plate
isn't
is
even our hot burn, and we're
898
hitting that
degrees.
900 degree
So
temperature.
this isn't
But
even our
we're
hot burn, and
after
we're
about
hitting
an
that
hour and 40
900
degree
minutes or
temperature.
so.
But
We're
into this
after
burn, hour
about
and
an hour
45
and 40
maybe by
minutes
now.
or
So it's
so
important
into
just not
this
to hit
burn,
that
hour
too
and
quickly,
45 maybe by
especially
now.
in
So it's
these
important
stoves
just
where
not
there's
to
no
hit that too
blockers on the
quickly,
top.
especially
You really
in
want to
these
cure the
stoves where
paint
there's no
on the
blockers on the
stove
top.
so you don't have
You
any
really want to
issues.
cure
You
the
can see
paint
why.
on the
top
stove
of
so you don't have any
this
issues.
stove
You can
panel
see
on the
why.
right hand
The
side of the
top
stove
of
is sitting at
this
414
stove panel
degrees
on the
top
right
and
hand side of the stove
144
is sitting at
degrees on the bottom.
414
That
degrees on the
corner's
top.
at 468.
Center cook
That
plates
corner's at
468.
440
Center
over the
cook
oven
plates at
about
740
over the
degrees,
oven
and the
about
center
666
here in front of the food
degrees,
collars,
and the
530
center
degrees. Here in front of the food
about
collars,
430
530 degrees,
about
384 degrees in the front
no,
corner here of the
less.
oven. Side panel
384
sitting
degrees
at
in the front corner here of the oven.
252
Up top, and 128 on the bottom of the stove, and
So these are going to be
128
our
on the
medium
bottom of the
temperature
stove.
burn readings.
So these are going to
I'm
be
going to
our
let this
medium
burn all the way
temperature
down
burn readings.
before we head
I'm going to
into
let
our
this
hot,
burn
hotter
all the way
burn.
down
We're going
before
to
we
head
head
into
our
our hot, hotter burn.
I am almost all the way out of coals.
I have
At this point, the stove has
almost
definitely been
all the way
burning
out
for
of coals.
at this point, the stove has definitely been burning for.
Because I have such a small amount
Because I have
with a
such a
little bit of
small
kindling here,
amount
just to
tenderness
pick
for
this
it
up.
with a
And
little
then I
bit of
am gonna
kindling
go
here,
now with my
just to pick
my
this
vertical
up.
stats.
And then I am gonna
So
go
just to
now
feel
with
a little
my vertical
in the
stats.
bottom,
So
because
just
there
feel
is
very little.
kindlings in the bottom, because there is very little.
I was
So
gonna reload my
maybe go get
fire,
some wood.
and then
Definitely
so
burn
maybe go
down
get
a
some
bit
wood.
more.
Definitely
What I
burn
was
down
expecting
a
in that
bit
type. So
more.
anyway,
There we go.
what
A
I was
little bit
expecting
burnt
in that
here,
type.
and
So
then
anyway, there we go.
But even with the sparky wood, this glasses stayed really clean. If you guys can see this, glasses
Nice and
stayed
clean,
really clean.
not
If you guys can
through
see this,
a low burnout,
nice and clean.
not
Turn my
through
medium
a
burnout,
low
and I'll
burnout.
head it into a lot.
Turn my
Again, when I
medium
have the
burnout,
bark,
and
I'm
I'll
gonna
head
put
it
it
into
towards
a
the
lot.
back of the
Again, when I have the bark, I'm gonna put it towards the back of the
Anytime you're
firebox.
burning
It does not get
sparky wood,
neglected.
it's really just not ideal.
It looks different in the main
It's
normal
really
batch of
just
wood.
not
I'm not
ideal.
sure where this
It
stuck.
looks
But
different
in the main
it
normal
burns
batch of wood. I'm not
smokier,
sure where this stuck.
and
But
it burns
plugs up your glass a
smokier.
lot more.
So bark is not my preferred. So bark is not my preferred. With this particular stove, I do like the vertical height. Like I said, loading
I
on
do
top
like
down.
the vertical
And
height. Like
I
I
put
said,
the
loading
bigger
on
part
top
down,
at the top,
and I put
the lower
the
part
bigger
down
part
here
at
and
the
I
top,
still have
and
quite
the
a bit
lower
of
part down
room
here.
in this
And I still
firebox.
have. I'm really pretty
A bit of
impressed at how much I'm
room in
able to
this
yank
firebox.
here.
I'm
We're gonna
really
be
pretty
burning the
impressed
stove
at how much
super
I'm
hot,
able to
but I
yank
can't
here.
wait
We're gonna be
till
burning
the
the
next
stove
time
super
I
hot, but
amper
I
it
can't
down
wait
and
till
get
the
a
next
long
time
burn
I
tight,
'cause
amper it
I
down
think that
and
this
get
stove's
a
gonna
long
be
burn tight.
really
'Cause
pretty
I
impressive
think that
for
this
the
stove's
overall
gonna be
firebox
really
size.
pretty impressive, like a
good, big, knotty kind of piece. Big, knotty kind of piece.
Not a enough at the top, so see what I mean?
Big end,
Not a enough
small
at the
end,
top,
put
so
the
see what I
smaller
mean?
end
Big
down.
end,
These are the
small
firebox,
end,
and
put
you're
the
gonna
smaller
pop
end down.
more
These
in
are the
there.
firebox,
This
and
one
you're
up
gonna
be if
pop
they glow
more in
bit
there.
closer
This one
to the
up
be if they glow
bit closer to the glass than
making these
light.
small pieces out. I do honestly think I'm gonna need to
I do
restart
honestly
this. My
think
coals
I'm
were
gonna
about
need
gone,
to
and
restart
I'm
this.
already
My
4.5
coals were
hours
about
into the
gone,
stove,
and
and ton of patience.
the stove's warm now. Like, even if your stove does go out, we'll be like, oh, there's sewer coals or whatever in the morning.
like,
oh,
oh,
there's
there's
sewer
sewer
coals
coals
or
or
whatever in the morning. Is starting the stove, especially when the stove is less than a minute. Especially when the stove is warm. Like,
But even
you get
on
no
this one
smell,
starting
nothing.
that the cold
But even on
stove
this one
was no
starting
issue
that
at all.
the
No
cold
smell
stove
coming out.
was
Boom.
no
Like,
issue at
literally,
all.
that wasn't even a minute. So that's
Like,
really,
literally, that
I'm
wasn't
gonna let
even a
this go
minute.
off into
So
my
that's
hot
really-
burn.
I'm
Gonna let this go off into my hot burn.
Give
of
you guys some
15
temperature
minutes
readings.
into my hot burn here.
And even with this one, usually I would leave the door open. Usually I would leave the door open, cracked for like a few minutes before takeoff. It actually does really well, and the stove is already hot. Like I said, the smoke is already hot. Like I said, the smoke is already dropping up the chimneys.
Gave it that
There's
little
no need for
light.
that.
I literally just gave it that little light to ignite those coals much quicker.
The stove is taking off, and
for you
we'll go
guys
ahead
in
and
about
do an
15
update
minutes.
Okay,
for you
so
guys
I
in
am just
about
going to take you
15
guys
minutes.
up and show you into this hot burn what my firebox looks
Into
like.
this
It is
hot burn,
really
what my
pretty
firebox
packed in
looks
here.
like. It
As
is
you can
really
see,
pretty
it was
packed
lit
at
at
the
here.
back,
As you can see, it
and
was
my
lit at the
flame
back.
is moving
And
forward,
my
and
flame
it is burning
is
nice and
moving
clean, even with
forward,
this
and it is
wood
burning nice
located
and
at the
clean,
front of the
even with
glass
this.
here.
So it's not too close. I still have some air
Not
space.
too
as you
close.
can
I
see
still
with this
have
brick
some
lining.
air space.
This
as you
model
can
does
see
really
with this
good.
brick lining.
You see other shots.
This
and
model
you can
does
see
really
in
good.
here. You see
These
other
air
shots and you
holes
can see
inside
in
the
here.
firebox.
These
The
air holes
that go
inside
in
the
back
firebox.
there.
The
You
air
can
holes
see the
that go in
flame
the
looking
back
through.
there.
That's what
You can
creates
see
this
the
nice
flame
high
looking through.
efficiency.
That's what creates this
in
nice
this
high
particular burn.
efficiency.
Okay, I
in
am
this particular
now
burn.
at least
I
5
am
hours
now
into this
at least
overall
5
burn.
hours
I am
into this
in my
overall
hot,
burn.
hot
I
burn,
am in
and I'm
my
going to give you
hot,
guys some
hot
temperature
burn,
readings.
and I'm going to give you guys some temperature readings. 959 in the center coke plate. 420 in the back corner above the firebox. 525 corner above the firebox. In the front corner of the firebox. Center corner of the firebox. 827 over the oven is 727 over the oven is 740 right corner of the stove 400 right corner of the stove 427 518 322 degrees on the top of this panel 142 on the bottom 142 on the bottom 382 on this panel 382 on this panel at the bottom. So these are going to be our hot burn temperatures on air
the
stove.
If you guys like these videos, if you guys like these videos, if you find them helpful, please don't forget to give me that thumbs
Please don't
up.
forget
If you know
to give
somebody
me that
who would
thumbs
benefit
up.
from these videos,
If you know somebody
please
who
don't
would benefit
forget
from
to
these
share
videos,
them with
please
a
don't
friend.
forget
Hit the
to share
subscribe
them
button in the
with a
corner of the
friend.
channel.
Hit the
Thanks
subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks so much for watching. God bless and have a wonderful day.